And then there's a third method, which is calculations. And they say that just like we have, you see on these screens, it has a time. 4:45 is, 3:58 was it is when we know for a fact precisely that when Fajr enters. At 12:42 is when after Zawal happens, right? So if we can have that, then we can also calculate to a very precise number that we know where the moon is. And at what level, because they also looked at what level the moon can be sighted, the possibility of sighting the moon. So after the conjugation, after the moon, the crescent starts, when it gets the first light, after that, how long does it have to pass? How many hours does it have to be that the moon can be sighted? 18 hours is when you can actually see, approximately. It can be even less, 17 to 18 hours when you can see with the naked eye. Under than that, 15 all the way down to even 12, in some places 13, 12 is when you can actually see with binoculars, with very strong binoculars, telescopes. Lower than that, then there's the digital binoculars, where digitalized way to find the moon, the crescent. And then below that, it's even difficult to, even with optical aid, to actually sight the moon. So in the calculations, they took some of those things into consideration, and some went with after the birth of the new moon, which is called the crescent, hilal. They went with that. Others went with hilal. It has to be able to be sighted, meaning it has to be several hours after the birth of that crescent, that new moon, right? So even within calculations, there are differences of opinion.